Okay, so the weather's been meh, it's a little rainy, and I'm in my 40s, so I can feel a little bit of like joint stiffness, which I realize is worse as you age or if you've had some sort of physical trauma. But just trying some holistic things tonight. I'm going to hop on my PEMF and we'll let you know how it goes. While we're sitting here getting treatment, what is PEMF? PEMF stands for Pulsed Electromagnetic Field. So there have been a ton of medical studies that show that pulsed electromagnetic fields, just the different frequencies and the pulses basically work at a cellular level to help improve our cellular function and to actually improve our immune function and healing. Around for a while. They're still doing studies on things as far as like chronic pain and even rheumatoid arthritis and joint pain, but where it's really known right now is it's used to help people with fractures. So we already know it helps tremendously. It's what a bone stimulator is. A bone stimulator is PEMF. They're using those electromagnetic waves to stimulate regrowth and regeneration of the bone to improve healing times in people with fractures. Been shown to help with both acute and chronic pain issues by enhancing tissue repair due to improved oxygenation to the tissues and just improved cellular function. It also is shown to decrease inflammation and just improve the body's overall ability to heal better and regenerate the cells that we need to function. What I find personally fascinating about PEMF is even though it's been known to help things like osteoarthritis, obviously musculoskeletal disorders, bone disorders, fibromyalgia, and just overall chronic pain issues, they just recently in like the 2020 did a study on transcranial, so using it basically on the brain, PEMF to help with anxiety and depression, and there's been really promising studies that it is helpful in that department too. So just an overall wellness monster for treating pretty much everything. All right, so I've been sitting here for 35 minutes just watching the Little League Baseball World Series. So just relaxing, and already my hips feel better. And these bad boys have been hurting all day, and I think it's because of the rain and just the change in weather. So again, PEMF, awesome choice. It is not real cheap to buy. I think I got mine on Amazon maybe. They run upwards of like $300-400 at the lowest end, lowest that I would feel comfortable paying, unless it's a really small mat, and then the higher ends are really expensive. These are the ones you'll probably find in spas and things like that. In my spa, I could possibly have my PEMF. We'll see. And that's something that'd be a very inexpensive way to get the treatment, because it's something you could sit on for half an hour for, $30-40, maybe 50 at the most, depending on what parts you need, and really get really good benefit. Honestly, it feels really good. I used this with my daughter when she had an injury to both her back and her shoulder, and it was just another way to heal quicker and get her back out on the field faster during her season. And also we used it in the off season to just assist in her healing process. So just another wellness tip, one of these tools that you can use, PEMF. I'm still sitting on it right now just because it's warm. It's like a heating pad, but so you do get the benefit of what a heating pad would be, but you're also going to get the pulsed electromagnetic field. You can't feel anything per se except for the heating aspect of it, but you just feel better. That's the thing. I know some people use magnets, just static magnets, and bracelets and things like that. And there's been some studies on that for like chronic illnesses as well, and some promise. But PEMF has a lot more scientific evidence of benefit. So just food for thought for something you may try at home or at a med spa like I have coming soon in October.